In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to progress fast in Monopoly Go. If you're looking to dominate the board and build your net worth quickly, then you're in the right place. Let's dive into some effective strategies that will accelerate your Monopoly Go experience. First, let's talk about the basics. One of the quickest ways to advance in Monopoly Go is by completing property sets and upgrading your landmarks. Focus on obtaining all properties in a color set. This allows you to build houses and hotels, which significantly increase your earnings. Upgrading landmarks, especially the ones that cost the most, can also boost your net worth and game level. Whenever you're about to log off, make sure to spend any excess cash on these upgrades. This helps protect your wealth from potential bank heists when you're not playing. Now let's shift to another essential gameplay element, using your dice and multipliers wisely. Dice multipliers can be tricky, but mastering them is vital. It's usually best to use a lower multiplier for general rolls to conserve your resources. However, there are times when a higher multiplier is your best option. For example, when you're aiming for a lucrative space like a railroad or during special events. Additionally, be strategic about your rolls. Wait until you have a full set of dice before playing, and consider which rolls will help you achieve your current objectives. Interacting and engaging with other players can make a huge difference too. Trading stickers is a fantastic way to complete collections, as these can earn you a significant number of free dice rolls. Joining sticker trading communities can be incredibly beneficial for this purpose. Also, don't miss out on daily challenges. Logging in every day to complete these challenges can earn you coins and other useful rewards, helping you climb the ranks more rapidly. Events and special features are not to be overlooked. Participate in all available events and tournaments. These are excellent opportunities to earn rewards like free dice and sticker packs, which are essential for swift progression. Moreover, ensure you check and collect your daily gifts at regular intervals. They refresh every 8 hours, so having a schedule that works for you can maximize your gain. By following these strategies, you'll find your Monopoly Go progress accelerating like never before. Remember, focusing on property sets, being strategic with your dice, staying social, and capitalizing on events and gifts are all part of your toolkit for success. So go ahead, jump into Monopoly, go with these tips in hand, and watch your empire expand. Thank you for watching, and happy gaming.